In this video, we will discuss one some questions from that poem. And the poem is The Road Not Taken, several times discussed within 1 or 2 days. Then Robert Frost, a great American poet, and a fine piece of poetry he has produced in the form of The Road Not Taken. And this poem is about making choices in life. Then, first question: which one of the two roads did the poet choose and why? What was his opinion about the first road? Uh, uh, the poet says the poet opted the second road, and you see, he opted the second road to travel by because it was overgrown with grass. It needed people to travel, to tread on, to remove the grass. Therefore he selected. And here overgrown with grass means very new road used by very less people, very less traveler. Therefore he selected it because it was less used. Therefore his opinion regarding the first road was that he would travel by the road some another day. This is what was his opinion regarding the first road. What created doubt in the mind of the poet? When he opted the second road and decided that he would travel by the first road second another time, a doubt. He doubted if he would be able to come back and travel by the first road he had left, because he knew that if you start one career, you cannot come back after success. After a successful career, you cannot come back and start another career. It is not possible. Generally it is not possible. It is, you see, it may be a miracle. After the completion of one career, another career one can start, but it is a miracle. Generally it does not happen. Therefore the poet doubted if he would be able to come back and start his journey by the first road he left today and opted the second one. Then this is what he and one more thing is that if you start a career, the door of development opens in that career. You cannot come back and start another career for development. This is also one reason why he opted the second, and why he doubted that he would be, if he would be able to come back. What will the poet say with a sigh? The poet will tell the story of his wise selection, the story of his making choices in a wise manner. This story he will tell to the people after a long time. He would relate this story to his people, how he made judicious, how he made wise selection, wise choice, and he became successful. Had he not done it, he would not have been successful. This fear compels him to take a long and deep breath while relating this story. Then in his actual life he was successful. You see, his choice made him the man with a difference. This story he will tell. He will tell the story of making choices in a wise manner, and uh, uh, in a fear, in a sense of fear will be there. Had he not selected, had he not made such a choice, he would not have been successful. This is the cause of his telling the matter with a long, you see, and deep breath. Thank you. Next question is from uh, textbook. Where does the traveler find himself? What problem does he faces? The traveler finds himself at a place from where the road bifurcates into two directions, and he falls in a dilemma. The dilemma of making choices. He faces the problem of making choices. Next is, what do you think the last two lines of the poem mean? Looking back, does the poet regret his choice of or accept it? The poet tells that, you see, what do you think? In the poet tells in the last two lines that he opted the second road, which was less traveled by, which needed people to, which was overgrown with grass and needed people to tread on for the removal of the grass, and therefore he opted the second road. You see, this is what the last two lines of the poem means. He also says that it is a matter of glory, pride for him that he made the selection of the second road used by less people, because this was the secret behind his success. In his actual life, he was a great successful poet. Robert Frost has written many poems. Here in this poem, "The Road Not Taken," and some one in other, you see so many beautiful and poem he has written, very highly instructive and interesting poem. He has produced. He was a successful poet, therefore he does not recreate his choice. Rather he celebrates, he glorifies his choice. Thank you, have a nice time. I feel आपको ये सब आंसर याद हो जाए, अच्छा लगे, यही मैं सोचता हूँ. थैंक यू.